Switchblades.tv presents Available at AssistedKnife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
The Airbourne-Avenger. Double action OTF out of the front switchblade with a glass breaker and a non-slip grip handle. Has a spinal trigger for safe carry, pocket clip, and comes with a tactical sheath. The overall is 8.5. The blade length is 3 5/16. It's closed at 5 1/4, and the overall thickness of the knife is 5/8, and its weight is 4.6 ounces.
Available at AssistedKnife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.